I found this on Amazon. I thought it was a great idea. It's supposed to be an easy sink stopper install. And what a great concept to have the opening here, because there's a slot underneath where you lower and lift the stopper, the original one, and it just, instead of being screwed in or anything, you kind of just slide it in. And it's a pretty cool idea. So I'm trying it out, since I'll have this at the end. Since I lost my stopper, the stopper stopped working. We had to take it out because it wouldn't go up or down, and I had to remove it. And I put a rubber stopper. I'll show you. We ended up using this, which is not bad, but gets a little nasty when you need to clean it. So we need to replace the one that was in here. That one went bad. So this is the item right here, the thing that goes up and down, and that has this bar going through in the middle, which causes the thing to go up and down. Stopper to go up and down, which is right here on top. We haven't been able to use it because it went bad. So that's what this is going to do. It's going to replace that. Now let's hope it fits. This should be the 1.5 inch one. Yeah, 1.5 inch round. And it is, let's do the whole size of it. It's almost 6 inches. 5 and, hold on one moment. .3/8. So let's put it in. Yep, I think this is gonna fit. I gotta find, the line should be straight. Yep, there it is right there, as you can see. So it should go in this way. And then I just slide it. Oh, look at that, perfect. Wow, oh wow, what a great idea. It worked perfectly. We no longer need this thing anymore. Look at that. What a great idea. Perfect, perfect. It is, and it looks great. And it looks great, awesome. All right, I gotta purchase another one for another sink. So I just wanted to make sure this one worked and it was working exactly the way I needed to. It looks like it came with the sink. Beautiful. And it works. It goes up, it goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That is great. Wow, I've been waiting to do that. To check this out. Now, I forgot to do a close-up. So I made this, and it was easy to remove. It has a seal, a rubber seal underneath, which is great. It's all plastic. Even the top, this is plastic. And that's rubber there in the middle. What a great idea. I gotta purchase some more. Easy on and off. Awesome. And it's holding the water. That is awesome. Great. Worked perfectly. All right, I hope you liked the video. Thank you.